It might be helpful to focus back on what happened on Saturday. After Alex Pretti was shot, I was in contact with the Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. That's the BCA, our state law enforcement agency that is charged with investigating deadly use of force cases with law enforcement. So the BCA went to the scene with the intention of processing the scene, collecting evidence, and that sort of thing. And they were physically blocked by ICE agents who stood a couple of feet apart with batons. So they were physically blocked from actually entering the scene to do what they would normally do in a case like this. So we worked together with the BCA. The BCA drafted a warrant, and we made sure a judge was available to sign that warrant immediately, with the idea that the BCA would be able to serve that warrant on the federal government to allow them access to the scene. Even with a warrant that was actually signed by a judge, they refused to allow our BCA to have access. And so we filed a lawsuit in federal court Saturday night that included a motion for a temporary restraining order that the federal government preserve all of the evidence that they obtained and not alter any of it. And a few hours after we filed that, the federal judge granted it. He set a hearing today at 2 o'clock where our staff in the Attorney General's office appeared in court to argue that that should be permanent, that the federal government should be required to preserve all of the evidence, because we don't know what evidence that they took, but all of the evidence, and that they not alter it. And the judge took that under advisement this afternoon. Well, we know Alex Pretti, or he appeared to be filming, and so it would be helpful to have his phone, and we presume that they took that phone, and there may be helpful information there. They may have talked to witnesses, although we immediately put out a statement asking people who might have helpful evidence, whether it be video or videos, to send that to our portal at the Hennepin County Attorney's Office. We have received substantial amount of information, including videos and including witnesses who were too afraid to come forward and talk to the federal government. And we have made arrangements for them to be interviewed.